Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. I'm back with another video today. I'm doing floret stitches today. So I hope you guys get something out of this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, share, hit the notification ring-a-ding button so that you can receive notification when I upload my videos on the YT. So check out these floret stitches. They are so pretty. I love this texture. I can't wait to do my next garment on this. Alrighty folks, I'm not going to talk long. Alrighty, later. Also, I'm doing the floret stitches. I'm going to be using single crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. So stay tuned for the video. Later folks. Later. Get excited. So today we're going to do floret stitches. I'm going to do a chain of 20 plus 3. So I'm going to do those chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm going to do 3 more. This is going to count as a chain. 1, 2, 3. Get excited, everybody. So that's my chain. After we get our chain together, we're going to skip 3 chains, come into the 4th chain, and we're going to do a double crochet right there into the 4th chain. I like to work with these loops right here because you get a better finish. And I'm going to double crochet all the way across. Folks. So I'm going to do an outfit with this stitch. I really like this stitch. I like the texture. I'm going to the second one, so I'm going to go all the way across. So go all the way across, and I'll be back when I get to the end. Get excited, everybody. Okay, I'm at the end of my chain. So I did double crochet all the way across. So when I get to the end, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to turn my work. Get excited, everybody. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do a single crochet right into that first stitch right here. Then I'm going to do triple crochets with this. You can do double crochets to get your florets, but I love doing triple crochet because it pushes out the floret more. So you can do double crochet, but I'm going to do a triple. So to do a triple, you're going to go over twice. 1, 2, like so. You're going to go into the stitch, pull up, and you have 4 loops on your hook. Chain over 1, pull through 2, chain over 1 again, pull through 2, and then pull through the other 2. And that's my triple crochet. Okay, so in the next stitch, you're going to do another single crochet, pull it through like that. And this is what the floret begin to look like. As you see, it pushes it out. You see how that look? How it pushed right on out. I love that. I love it with the triple crochet. I mean, to me, it's amazing. So we're going to do it again. Triple crochet, chain over 2. Go into the next stitch, pull 1. So you have 4 loops, chain over 1, pull through 2, chain over 1, pull through. I'm left-handed, folks. Pull through 2 and pull through the other 2. Get excited. Okay, and then you're going to go single crochet into the next stitch, which is very easy. Like so. Then you're going to do another this is going to be a 2-row repeat. It's very easy. You can do great fall outfits with this. You can do winter outfits with it. So I'm going to be doing a winter outfit with it real soon, so stay tuned for that. So we're going to go into the next stitch again, chain over 1. We're doing a triple crochet. You're going to chain over 1 more time, go into the stitch, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Get excited, everybody. Go into the next stitch, do a single crochet, pull through like that, and as you can see how that looks, the texture begin to show, as you can see, and I love it with the triple crochet. You can do double crochet, but I prefer triple crochet so I can get more definition in my garment, texture in the garment. So 1, 2, let's go for twice. Do this. So you're going to do this all the way to the end. 2, pull over 2, pull over 2, single crochet in the next stitch. So basically you're going to do a triple crochet or double crochet, whatever your preference is. Then you're going to do a single crochet, triple crochet or double crochet, then a single crochet all the way to the end. And I'll be right back when I get to the end. Get excited, everybody. Alrighty, so I'm at the end of the row. So I'm going to do a triple crochet in this stitch right here at the very end. I'm sorry, folks. I'm left-handed. Do triple crochet right in here. I'm going to chain up 3 after this. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to turn your work. Once you turn your work, now in the next row, oh, this is so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me pull it down so you can really see it. Look at that. So in the next row, you're going to do double crochets going straight across, all the way across. Just double crochet all the way across, like so, into each stitch at the top. Double crochet all the way across, people, all the way across into each stitch. So you can use double crochet right here, or triple crochet, but I'm going to do the double crochet because the next outfit that I'm going to make, I'm going to need double crochet for this row. It's basically up to you, but for your floret stitch, you can use double crochet or triple crochet. I use triple crochets so that the texture can show more on the garment, like it's doing here. Look how pretty that's beginning to look. Wow, 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 wow. Just go into each stitch at the top, like so. Double crochet all the way to the end. All the way to the end. Everybody get excited, get excited, get excited about life. In the next row, we're going to do the floret stitch. So you're going to go into the first space right here, do a single crochet, pull up like so. And then the next stitch, you're going to do a triple crochet, chain over 2, pull up. You have 4 loops on, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through the other 2. Get excited. And this is going to create the floret. Okay, folks? So you're going to go single crochet, like so. Triple crochet or double crochet, whatever your preference is. Pull through. You have 4 loops. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through the other 2 loops. Pull through the other 2 loops. And get excited, folks. We're on our way to some great texture in our garments. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Everybody get excited. I'm going to do one more. Triple crochet. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And to get the floret, you're going to do a single crochet, pull through, and there you go, everybody. So that's how it looks so far. I like this. I want you guys to leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button, which is the ring-a-ding-ding button, so you get notification when my videos are uploaded on the YT. and drop a like on this video if you got something out of it. So this is my floret stitch. So stay tuned for my next video, everybody, and get excited about life and believe something good is going to happen for you. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.